I don't want to be an empress. I'm sorry. I don't want to rule or conquer. I should like to help it. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Barricaded the world with hate. Has stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed. We have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our work is hard and uneven. I'm sorry. We think too much. More than machinery. I'm sorry. More than cleverness. We need kindness, gentleness. I'm sorry. These qualities life will be violent. All will be lost. The aeroplane and the radio have brought us. I'm sorry. The very nature of these inventions cries out for goodness. Cries out for universal brotherhood, for the unity of us all. I'm sorry. Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world. Millions of despairing men, women. I'm sorry. Victims of a system that makes men torture. In prison, innocent. Those who can hear me, I say, I'm sorry. But I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost. The aeroplane and the radio have brought us closer together. The very nature of these inventions cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for universal brotherhood, for the unity of us all. Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world, millions of despairing men, women, and little children, victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed, the bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die, and the power they took from the people will return to the people. And so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men. Machine men with machine minds and machine hearts, with machine minds and machine hearts.
Suddenly something enormous crashed and rumbled through the eerie woods.
You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. But they lie. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. I'm sorry. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world.